Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your phone's Bluetooth isn't working, then keep watching this video because in today's short tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth problems on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, before we begin, make sure that the device you are trying to connect is not already connected to another phone or device. Method 1. Turn Bluetooth off and on. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open Quick Settings. Tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Method 2. Disconnect and reconnect the device. For this, open the Settings app. On the Settings, tap More Connections. Then tap Bluetooth. Now find your device in the list, tap the gear icon or the eye symbol and select Forget or Unpair. Now put your Bluetooth device in pairing mode and reconnect it. Method 3. Reset network settings. If the problem still continues, you can reset your network settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap System. Tap Reset option or Reset phone depending on your device. Select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Tap Reset Settings again to confirm. Now enter your pattern lock or password. This will reset all your network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data, hotspot and Bluetooth. After that, go to Bluetooth settings again and reconnect your device. That's it. Now your Bluetooth should be working properly.